welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you for clicking on this video. All my old-time subscribers, y'all know I love y'all so very much. Thank y'all for clicking on the video too. Y'all get a dance. So y'all, I get tons of questions, okay, about my buns, which really blows me away because I didn't think there were anything special, okay? But every time I put like a video up on Snapchat or my Insta stories, I'm getting questions on how do I do my buns. So I want to show you guys what I do, how I moisturize it, and then at the end I'm gonna jazz it up a little bit. So stay tuned, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Gotta always start with Dave Hollister, I'm just saying. Okay, so I use dry shampoo sometimes, you guys, just to kind of freshen up my hair and kind of zap some of the product that's already on my hair, because I used oils and stuff like that, and it's really good at zapping oils out of your hair. I wouldn't do it often, but I do incorporate it from time to time, like not even that much, if I'm honest. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair, which seems backwards, but it works for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it, make it a little bit more easier to manage. And then y'all know, if you saw my last video, this Camille Rose coconut water be the truth. I love this stuff so very much, very hydrating. I learned that you do not need a lot. So I'm really focusing on my ends because I'm going to be using some spray color at the end of this video, and I really want my ends to be hydrated. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Mielle Organics Pomade to Oil Treatment. Love this stuff. Super amazing for it to be an oil. Not greasy, and it really works with giving you hydration. So I really like to use stuff like this when I'm doing my buns, just to make sure my ends are nice and hydrated. So y'all, I just been enjoying my WetLine Extreme Gel. I'm sorry, Eco Styler is still bae, but WetLine Extreme is baby zaddy. Okay, I'm just saying.
Hallelujah.
It's just everything. I don't know what it is in WetLine Extreme Gel that just works with every leave-in product that I've ever tried, and any cream. It just works, and I get good results every single time. It's not a wishing and am I wondering, am I gonna get a good result? No, I get good results every single time. So I find that when I take the necessary steps to moisturize my hair, meaning maybe it's the revised LCO method, which is kind of like what you're seeing right here, and then working in sections and then applying my styler in sections, like I'm kind of doing a wash and go, it really, really helps to improve the way my buns look and the sleekness that I'm going to get. I'm not going to get any bumps because every strand is literally hydrated. It's defined. Every strand has some love going on, which really improves how my bun feels and how it looks. It's shiny. Yeah, so I mean, just taking the proper steps for my hair, it really, really helps. I don't have to worry about, is my bun gonna be how I want it to be, because every strand is looking right. Okay, it may not be wash and go ready right, but it will be sufficient enough for me as I do my bun. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw our bun up so that we can focus on our adolescent, our teenage, and baby hair. Okay, see, this is what I believe. I believe that I was given a canvas, I was given a canvas, also known as a big head, also known as a 5 head. Turn to your neighbor and say, a 5 head. I was given a canvas, and I believe that this canvas is to showcase my work of art, I believe that this is giving me a time and a place to create a swoop action, I used to be insecure about my 5 head, but then I was reminded that I have a canvas to showcase my work of art. So I want to encourage anybody who is watching this video that has a canvas, you better feel free to showcase your work of art, because you are made in the image.
Bless God.
Woo, where is my offering? Anyway, y'all, I'm just playing. Wait, don't mind me, y'all. So I use my dimming brush to get all the tangles out, all the bumps. I cannot stand a bumpy top knot. It's just not cute. I like a nice, sleek, shiny top knot. So all the things and steps that I did before has really helped to make this bun what it is. Okay, so I'll go ahead and make my ponytail first, and I just kind of get all the bumps out because I'm very, particular about that. That's my jam. I don't care. But anyway, I like to take a cotton scarf for my edges because it kind of helps absorb that excess product that you put on your baby hairs, and it helps it just to kind of lay down for me. That's what it does for me, as opposed to using a satin scarf. Then you just go ahead and create your bun. I like mine to sit nice and tall because I'm nice and short, so it gives me some height. And I just like a little cute messy bun, but it looks very hydrated, and that was what I was going for. So we're pretty much done. This is pretty much what I would do towards the end, is grab my Pump It Up spray. Y'all know, if you are new here, Pump It Up spray is the truth. It really will lay your edges all day. You can sweat, you can do whatever you feel the need, and they will still be laid.
Okay.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. But we're gonna go ahead and take the Go Intense Color Spray, the Gold Rush by Dark and Lovely. This was sent to me, so this is not sponsored, but I wanted to just have some fun and just kind of just do whatever I wanted to do with this, to create like the illusion that I have like some gold little highlights or whatever. So when you pat your hair more, it will look more realistic, and it will blend in more, because I was like, uh-oh, these spots ain't gonna do. I'm not no cheater. But as you begin to brush and smooth it, it will get rid of like the harshness of where the spray hit your hair. But in the sun, it looks so good. It does not look like your hair is actually dyed. But it looks like you got some little extra pizzazz going on. It doesn't look like completely natural in sunlight, in my opinion, but it looks really, really fun. So I know it will look even better with like a purple or a pink or whatever color you desire. But I definitely want to try this when my hair is down on like a couple of strips. But it was fun to incorporate. It really looked cute in my opinion. Just a different little look, so you ain't got to put no color on your hair or whatever. So for all you guys who have been asking about my top knots, how I keep them moisturized, and how I do them, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys laughed right along with me. If you did, go ahead and like this video. Make sure that you are definitely subscribed. Okay, go ahead and join the fam bam, girl. We definitely have fun over here. You don't want to miss it. I appreciate and love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Peace.